The SmartCross-Laser GX 300cm from LaserLiner enables exact horizontal and vertical alignment of objects. The FlexClamp offers versatile fixing options and allows a precise and simple positioning of the laser. The pendulum lock ensures secure transport, while the green laser technology provides optimum visibility. With its sustainable construction made of recycled plastic, the SmartCross-Laser GX 300cm contributes to environmental protection. The 1/4 inch thread and the 2 AA batteries mean it can be used flexibly and practically. The TelePod telescopic clamping pole, ideal for room heights up to 3 meters, combines robust aluminum construction with stability and lightness. The FlexClamp enables quick adjustment of height and position, as a result of which the laser adapts perfectly to every task. The SmartCross-Laser GX 300cm from LaserLiner. Precision and flexibility in a set.